morning everybody, it's John from Drones and Planes, and today we are back at Manchester Airport. It's towards the end of December, 30th of December in fact, and just thought I'd pop down for a couple of hours to capture the last footage of 2021. So sit back and enjoy the show.
Etihad Golf Echo, turn left at 270 degrees, descend around at 25,006.
So we've got a busy couple of minutes here now. We've got Shuttle to November landing from Heathrow, that's British Airways. We've got a Finnair up at the threshold of 23 right. We've got a little private jet in between. We've got the TUI, and you can probably hear just to my right a EasyJet that's just landed as well. So should be an interesting few minutes, so let's just watch the shuttle touch down on runway 23 right. Here she goes. There we go. Beautiful landing, sir, well done. Hiding behind the EasyJet. It's quite quiet down here today, considering it's school holidays, but the weather's not brilliant. It's a little bit windy, a little bit cold, but never fear, drones and planes are here. I actually fly on VATSIM, doing the shuttle flights quite regularly from Manchester to Heathrow, and Heathrow back to Manchester. It's a fun little flight, 40 minutes, plenty to do. If you are a bit of an av geek like me and you like a bit of simulation, then have a look at VATSIM if you don't already. Very, very good. Everything's free, run by volunteers, and it's as close as you can probably get for free anyway. There we go, beautiful little aircraft, and a great company. People have a tendency to slag them off, but I think they're great. I love British Airways. And just in the distance there, coming down about 50 feet from the threshold, is a Ryanair 737-800 from Gdansk. Just see the vortices going off the wings there, spoilers go up, and a lovely little bit of spray there on the runway as well. Beautiful. Don't worry, the engines aren't on fire, that's just the moisture on the runway that's been picked up by the thrust reversers. And next up we should have a TUI taking off. And next up we have a TUI Dreamliner flying on release to Turkey. Absolutely awesome. And actually flying on to Mahon as well. Mahon.
I'm only playing 5 to 10.
Yes, that's right. Some Josh might be asking some questions in a minute. You just have to pick an any plane flight to take.
On the Legionnaire 850 with a special F1 livery on it. And I think I posted that like as soon as I got
probably need a few refuels.
I've never seen it before.
Okay, next up we've got a little Finnair Airbus A319er. just been clearance, given clearance I should say. Yeesh, can't speak properly, it's too early. It's not really, it's about 11 o'clock. There she goes. Little pocket rocket. Very popular amongst EasyJet as well. Look at that spray, awesome. Should have brought my camera. Got some great photos today. There's the Ryanair stealing the show again. Bugger off. Into the clouds, gear up. Next up we have the Dreamliner Special going to Gran Canaria. Those that are regular viewers to
Etihad is
understand the
35
Dreamliner reference.
That's the TUI Italy livery as well. What's this now? Get it. Oh, 350 pretty good. Yes, it is.
Please subscribe. Please give me a like and a comment. Brace of Dreamliners taxiing down to First one here is the TUI, going to Punta Cana in Mexico, and behind is the Virgin going to Atlanta.
Oh, what's that?
And then just coming to view is the Virgin, and you can just see the TUI behind. Brace of Dreamliners. So had a bit of a malfunction on the audio side of things, I'm afraid. One of the channels isn't working, so I had to swap over just to the on camera, so apologies for the wind noise. I'll try and fix it a bit. I think the connector's a bit knackered. It's just a Ryanair that's arrived from Shannon. So these guys have got oh, there it goes. Okay, so here's the TUI, going to Punta Cana. Mine going there at the moment. I believe so, did you? Dreamliner.
Yes.
On 2-3 right, we can blast off. And 3 of the planes taxiing down towards
radar?
threshold.
Oh no, I used
right. It's really busy.
Right, radar.
Which is awesome.
Oh, does it? Oh right.
I'm not sure you can actually hear this footage.
I don't. No, I don't.
The microphone's giving up the ghost.
I was fortunate enough to go on the 747 before it retired to Orlando.
A350. I've seen an A350 take off from here before, so that's quite nice. So there's a good comparison of size difference between the A350 and a 737. Subscription would be really appreciated. Thanks for your support. Wish you and your families all the best for 2022, and look out for more footage in the new year. To all the drones and planes, thanks for the support, and we'll see you next year. All the best. Cheers now.